In the past 365 days, I have tried using CapCut to edit all my videos, and it's been a bittersweet experience, and I'm here to share them with you because it wasn't what I expected. When it comes to video editing, I have had a terrible journey. I started my YouTube career in 2019, and because of video editing, I was stuck. I couldn't produce videos. I struggled because I tried using Adobe Premiere Pro. My system couldn't carry it because I didn't have a high-end system at the time. So I had to uninstall it. But when I discovered CapCut, everything changed for me. Like I said earlier, it wasn't just a smooth ride. So I started learning CapCut, the basic editing tools like the splitting, the delete left, the delete right, and other things. So through using CapCut, I was able to produce at least 3 videos every single week. And my channel is on the way to reaching 1,000 subscribers already. My watch hour has also crossed 1,000 watch hours. Because of CapCut, I'm now able to edit videos faster, and I feel happy editing videos, even though I hated video editing because I was introduced to Adobe Premiere Pro, which was quite heavy and complicated. And just like every Adobe product and services, there's always a learning curve. But CapCut didn't give me that learning curve. It was just easy for me. I got in and I started editing my videos. So let me share a few things that you need to understand when it comes to CapCut. The first thing I discovered with CapCut is that if you want to enjoy all the advanced features, you need the CapCut Pro, which is the advanced version that you have to pay for. I don't quite know how much it costs right now because I have not been able to research to get it, but I'm using the free version. Yes, it has a lot of transitions, it has a lot of effects, fonts that you can use for your projects, but it's limited. I discovered that those who use the Pro version, they are exposed to a lot of other stuff. If you want to use CapCut for commercial purposes, and you really want to start producing videos that are high quality, I would encourage you to get the Pro. I'm not using it yet, but from those who have been using it, the Pro version is the one you pay for. It allows you access to some of the best features, some of the best filters, some of the best fonts, some of the best audio tools that you can use to bring your audio capabilities, your audio clarity to a new level. So I would encourage you to get that. But if you're not going to get that, you can continue using the free version. And the free version is also quite well, just that you may be limited in the transitions. When you go to animation, you will see that some of them are for the Pro users, and that is a limit. Another aspect of CapCut that I'm struggling with right now is the color correction. I discovered that it's easier to correct the color, the skin tone in Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve than it is with CapCut. Yes, CapCut is more like an AI tool that does everything automatically for you, but when it comes to color correction and your skin tone and all those stuff, you don't really need an AI to help you do that because everybody's skin tone is quite unique. Yes, the mechanism may be the same in implementation, but you have to nail it down to the nitty-gritty, so you need to be able to do it yourself. In CapCut, I would appreciate if it becomes a lot easier to do. Try to adjust colors by just moving the hue, the saturation, the contrast, the shadows, and the highlights. It doesn't do much. Yes, you could manage it when you're getting started, but it doesn't do much for the color correction. If you do color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro or any other video editor, you may likely see a huge difference in the quality of the video. After all said and done, CapCut is truly amazing. Another thing I love about CapCut is the keyframing. Yes, I've tried keyframing in other video editors, but when it comes to CapCut, it's quite unique, and keyframing is actually very powerful. CapCut made me to understand that keyframing can be used both in the positioning, in the scaling, in the color, in the volume, in the audio adjustment. Whatever you want to do, you can use keyframing to set the start and the finishing point of your effect. Well, it took me quite a while to really understood how to use keyframing. I've always avoided it, but I've been able to learn it on YouTube here. So keyframing has become easier for me, and any project I embark on, anything I'm editing on, I always want to use keyframing. If I want to zoom in and zoom out, I like to use keyframing to just set the beginning and the ending for it. And another aspect of CapCut that has helped me in these 365 days is the masking effect. The masking tool is amazing. You could mask anything, whether it's a horizontal, whether it's a fading. Masking helps you achieve a lot. So you could take a skyline from somewhere and then mask yourself. But it all depends on the type of project you're working on. And remember, video editing is actually quite critical and very essential when it comes to being a successful content creator, a successful YouTuber. If you're not able to put out videos as quickly as possible, consistent videos that are educative and valuable, you may struggle to grow on this channel. If you look at all the successful YouTubers out there, one of the things that differentiates them from newbies and from those struggling is this: they are publishing videos consistently, and I bet they are not the ones editing their videos, but you are, because you do not have the resources right now if you're just getting started, or you do not want to invest into video editing or video editors. So you can use CapCut to speed up the entire process, and before you know it, every day you can be editing at least one video every single day, and that means each week you'll be able to publish 2 videos, 3 videos, or even publish one every single day. And that would be an amazing journey, because if you're able to put out videos every single day, or every other day of the week, I can assure you that as long as those videos are engaging and useful, and you're really solving problems and answering questions that your audience is asking, you will grow on YouTube. Now, my channel is less than a year old. Yes, since I took it seriously. Remember, it has been here for a while, but I've not really taken it seriously. But since I started using CapCut to edit my videos, and then I took it seriously, I have close to 100 videos that I've been able to edit with CapCut, and my channel is growing. I'm just shy of 1,000 subscribers, and I know that before Easter of 2025, I should be able to get monetized. I would be monetized on this channel, and that would be an amazing journey. And if you don't want to spend 365 days, try your best to learn CapCut on your own. There's a video here that shows you how to master CapCut. I distilled all the information I just shared with you in 5 minutes, exactly how to implement them. So make sure you watch this video here to learn it, and I will see you in the next one.